Here's how to get pro-grade results from DAP 2-in-1 popcorn wall and ceiling spray texture. First, repair any damage to the surface. Then, prep your work area with the proper tools for your project and cover all surrounding areas. To prevent clogging, shake the can upside down vigorously for 1 minute after hearing the marble moving freely. Be sure to shake frequently between sprays. To adjust the nozzle, unlock the safety tab by bending it backwards. Do not tear the tab off. Before spraying on any surface, dispense a quick burst on scrap material to activate and practice. Note the high-pressure flow and spray 12 to 18 inches from the surface to ensure a wide, even pattern. Spraying too close to the surface can result in poor texture definition. For seamless repairs, feather the texture into the surrounding repair area by spraying short, intermittent bursts with a circular sweeping motion. Allow at least 30 minutes of dry time before painting. No priming is required. When finished, place the nozzle upright. Turn the can upside down and spray the excess into a disposable surface until clear. Clean any buildup on the nozzle. Relock the safety tab and store upright at room temperature for future use.